the aftermath of the storms that came through yesterday. Eyewitness News meteorologist Nick Patrick joins us live along Route 60, one of the hardest hit areas. Nick, what are you seeing where you are?
Hey, Dave. Yeah, we are finally starting to see some of this storm damage continue to emerge as the sun is starting to come out now. Lots of clouds here, but look at this tree behind me, split basically in half from those strong gusty winds of close to 80 miles per hour. As that severe storm rolled through Culloden. We are just off of Route 60 now, and behind me you can kind of see all this storm damage here. Lots of branches down with this. This is the second tree we've seen. Another one just down the road completely uprooted from that wind. So the wind was obviously a major concern. Lots of power outages still in the area, and rain now starting to come down in Culloden, and that's probably the last thing some people wanted to see here. Flooding is going to be an ongoing concern. More storm damage to survey. We'll be monitoring that for you here all morning long. If you have storm damage you want to share with us, head over to social media, Twitter, Facebook, and chime in on our website. But for now, we're going to get some cover here real quick as this rain starts to fall. Reporting in Culloden, Nick Patrick,